Hello friends, today we will do question answers of chapter number 12, our history. Question number 1. Where was the Indus Valley civilization located? Name two important cities of the civilization. Answer. There was a very advanced civilization near the Indus River in about 2500 BCE. It stretched from northwestern India to present-day Pakistan. The two important cities of the civilization were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Question number 2. Who came to India in 326 BCE and why? Answer. In 326 BCE, Alexander, the ruler of Macedonia in Greece, attacked India. He came to expand his empire. Question number 3. Who founded the Mughal rule in India? Answer. Babur founded the Mughal rule in India in 1526 CE. Question number 4. Who defeated Siraj-ud-Dawla and when? Answer. 1757 CE, the British defeated the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dawla, and became the ruler of Bengal. Question number 5. What was Gandhiji's method of protest? Answer. Gandhiji used peaceful methods of protest such as Satyagraha, which was based on the principle of truth and non-violence. Now we will do back exercises. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Part A. People of the Indus Valley civilization built well-planned cities. Part B. The Indo-Aryans grew crops and domesticated animals. Part C. Ashoka embraced Buddhism after the war against Kalinga. Part D. Muhammad of Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori attacked the kingdoms in India. Part E. India finally become an independent country on 15th August 1947. Question number 2. Match the columns. Indus Valley civilization. The Great Bath. Alexander. Porus. Chandragupta Maurya, Kautilya, Babur, the Mughal dynasty, revolt 1857. Question number 3. Write true or false. Part A. Mohenjo-daro was the first city of the Indus Valley civilization to be discovered. True. Harappa was the first city, so it is false. Part B. The Indo-Aryans came from Central Asia. True. Part C. Ashoka spread Buddhism in India and other Asian countries. True. Part D. Jahangir built Taj Mahal at Agra. False. Part E. The Indians defeated the British in 1857. True. Choose the correct answer. Part A. We learn about the Indus Valley people from seals, pottery, jewelry. All of these. Part B. Which of these became the most powerful kingdom in North India? Magadha. Part C. Who was the greatest Mughal ruler? Akbar. Part D. Who was the last important Mughal ruler? Aurangzeb. Part E. Which European trader became the most powerful after the decline of the Mughals? The British. Now we will learn the worksheet. Question number 1. Years and events. First, Chandragupta Maurya became rulers of Magadha in 321 BCE. Second, Alexander attacked India in 326 BCE. Third, Siraj-ud-Dawla was defeated by Britishers in 1757 CE. Fourth, Babur came to India in 1526 CE. Fifth, Qutb-ud-Din Aibak became the ruler of North India in 1206 CE. Sixth, India became free from foreign rule. 15th August 1947. Question number 2. Who am I? I study history. Historians. I am the first tribe of India. Scheduled tribe. I am the first city of Indus Valley. Harappa. I am the commander of ancient army. Indo-Aryans. I was the king of Punjab in 326 E. Alexander. Question number 3. Gave reason. First, why Indus Valley civilization is also called Harappan civilization? Answer. Because Harappa was the first city to be discovered from this civilization. Second, why Ashoka did not fight any war after Kalinga? Answer. Because he became so upset by the bloodshed and loss of life, so he did not fight any war after Kalinga. Question number 4. Philips. Shah Jahan was succeeded by his son Aurangzeb. Second, Dash was the first Mughal woman to rule Delhi. Razia Sultan. Third, Dash and Dash were the epics written in Vedic age. Ramayana and Mahabharata. Fourth, Dash was the advisor of Chandragupta Maurya. Kautilya. Fifth, Dash became most powerful after the decline of the Mughals. The British. These are the answers of question number 1. These are the answers of question number 2. These are the answer of question number 3. These are the answers of question number 4. Thank you.